Thanks for coming.
So do you live on campus?
I got a studio near the college. Dorms aren't really my thing.
Yeah.
Maya sent me a picture of you.
Yeah, I sent that to her when she was at True North.
Now, I know it's not their fault, but I keep thinking if her parents hadn't threatened to send her back there, she'd still be here.
Sent her mom a few emails, but she never responded to me.
Well, they're totally shut down right now. It's all just too much.
Yeah, I was just hoping they'd have some kind of service here.
Well, the funeral was small. It's just family.
Well, I never got to say goodbye.
That's sort of why I called. Maya's mom asked me to give you this. It was delivered a few weeks after the funeral.
We saw this movie on our first date. Actually, we didn't really see that much of the movie.
Sounds like my kind of first date.